truck driving girl in a custom-made monster truck she took for a whirl. That little speed demon gonna be a star with a learner's permit and a Dalton car. She may be out for a lark, but you can't tear it apart. She's a truck driving girl. She's a truck driving girl. She'll get her license and she'll have it all. She can pick up her friends and take a drive in the mall. That little redhead gonna rock my world. She's a truck driving girl. She's a truck driving girl. She's a tire spinning, gear grinding, clutch burning, backfiring, penetrating, redlining, overheating, throttle stomping, truck driving girl. Yeah.